Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to uninstall Teams mobile app. Let's get started. Start by opening Teams app on your device. Tap on your profile at the top left. Tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down. Tap on Sign Out. Tap on OK to confirm. After you're signed out, go back, open Play Store. Search for the Teams app. Now tap on Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall again to confirm. And that is how to uninstall the Microsoft Teams app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.